Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about pronouns and connecting words. And I am going to also construct a sentence in the present tense. Pronouns. I, nna, nna, you, wena, wena, she or he, ene, ene, we or us, rona, rona, you as in group, lona, lona, them, bone, bone. Okay, now we're gonna go to connecting words. And, le, le. But, me, me. Or, kgotsa, kgotsa, kana, kana. It's really interesting because I'm trying to say kgotsa, kana, kana. Or. Anyway. Is, ke, ke. As, or, like, jaaka. Therefore, ka jalo, ka jalo. Because, ka gore, ka gore. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and construct a sentence using these pronouns and connecting words. So, the first pronoun, I'm going to say, I want water. I want water. Ke batla metsi. Ke batla metsi. You want water. O batla metsi. O batla metsi. She or he want water. Want water. O batla metsi. O batla metsi. We want water is re batla metsi. Re batla metsi. You as in people, as in group, sorry. Le batla metsi. Le batla metsi. They want water. Ba batla metsi. Ba batla metsi. Well, this lesson has been surely so complicated. I hope you do understand and trying to get what I'm trying to say. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment below and let me know. And I'm really grateful for everybody who's been subscribing. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do.